Good morning, student. Welcome to Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. In front of you, there is a question of quadratic equations. Question is like this: if x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and x is greater than 1, then what is the value of x minus 1 upon x? There are four options given: 1 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 1 by 2, 3 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 1 by 3. These are the four options given here. So now you have to solve this equation by quadratic equation. It has been given or x की value is greater than 1. So first write this equation: x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Oh, compare with the standard equation of quadratic equation. Standard equations. What is the standard equation of quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the value of a? X square coefficient. X is in front of x square, there is always 1, okay, which is hidden. So a is 1, b is minus 3 with sign, c is 2. So on comparing a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 2. So now you multiply a into c. A into c equal to 1 into 2. 1 2 is 2. So you have to write the factors of 2, which should be you have to split this to the middle term. So this is known as splitting the middle term. So 2 के factors क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? 1 2 is 2, 2 1 is 2. These are the only two possible factors. Okay, so how will it come minus 3? जब minus 2 minus 1 करोगे, it will come minus 3. Okay, so these are the two factors. So it means minus 2x minus 1x equal to minus 3x. In place of minus 3x, you can write this minus 2x minus 1x. So the equation will become. So the purpose of this is only splitting the middle term. 1x square minus 3x की जगह पे क्या रखोगे? इंस्टेड ऑफ minus 3x minus 2x minus 1x minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so pair, making pairs. 1x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2. 1x square 1 into x minus 2 into x, one pair. Minus sign common, 1 into x minus, if common तो plus becomes minus, तो 2 into 1 equal to 0. What is common here? X first bracket x common, तो x keep outside. What will inside? 1x minus 2 minus, what is the common here? 1 1 common, 1 common. So यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? x minus 2. 1x minus 2, 1x minus 2 सेम चीज है. x minus 2 बोलो या 1x minus 2, both are the same thing. So x minus 2 is common और x minus 1 equal to 0. So find the number of zeros. X minus 2 equal to zeros, तो x equal to 2. X minus 1 equal to 0, तो x equal to 1. पर क्वेश्चन बोलता है x is greater than 1. It means ये वाला नहीं लेना पड़ेगा, तो 2. x का वैल्यू आ गया 2. Now you have the x की वैल्यू is 2. So find out the value of x minus 1 by x. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 to ये देखो 2 to 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 है तो 1 whole 1 by 2. 2 1 2 मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 2 का डिवाइड कर लो या 3 by 2 में, 3 में 2 1 2, 1 बचा, तो 1 whole 1 by 2. इट्स लाइक दैट. तो 1 whole 1 by 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. और बहुत ही बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन था. आप चैनल को जरूर लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर जरूर करिए. चैनल को देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.